Hi guys, this is Prashant from Notes and Sargam, and today I'm going to discuss about how to make a smooth transition from Shuddh Madhyam to Komal Dhevat, that is Shuddh Ma to Komal Dha. It is a tricky transition especially for the beginners, and even some intermediates also find it difficult to transit from Komal, sorry, Shuddh Ma to Komal Dha, because there is a tricky part included while you move your fingers. So I'm just going to demonstrate how you can easily do a transition from Shuddh Ma to Komal Dha. Let us play the Aro and Avro, including the Komal Dha, so that we can further explain how easily we can do this transition from Shuddh Ma to Komal Dha. Now, to let you know that I am actually transiting from Ma to Komal Dha, let us understand the sound of Shuddh Dhaivat and Komal Dhaivat. This is Pa and this is Shuddh Dhaivat, and the Komal Dhaivat will sound like this. Okay, Pa, Pancham, Komal Dhaivat and Shuddh Dhaivat. Now, how can we easily transit from Shuddh Ma, which is the topmost finger half closed, and then come straight to Komal Dha? People find it difficult because they have to move their finger. First, they have to lift all the fingers from the bottom three holes, and then they have to quickly come back to closing the fourth and fifth hole and half of the last hole. So when you have to come from Shuddh Ma to Komal Dha, the trick is like this, and I'm calling this as a trick because I know the trained musicians may have some different techniques to do this, but from my experience I have learned this to play this trick like this. You close the bottom holes already like this while playing the Shuddh Ma, because when you play Shuddh Ma while closing these two holes, bottom two holes and half of this last hole, the sound of Komal Shuddh Ma does not get affected like this. Normally we play Shuddh Ma like this while lifting all the fingers and half of the first finger we play Shuddh Ma like this, and we then have to come back to Shuddh Dhaivat and we have to quickly close all the holes to come back to Shuddh Dha. The trick now is you close the fourth and fifth hole and half of the sixth hole while playing the Shuddh Ma like this. This is Shuddh Ma. The first hole is half closed and you play the Shuddh Ma like this. The sound of Shuddh Ma is like this. Now, generally when we play Shuddh Ma, we do not close any of the holes. All the holes are open. It sounds like this. Sorry. And if we close the fourth and fifth hole and half of the sixth hole, the sound does not get changed like this. Now, when we have to come to Komal Dhaivat, which is the last hole half closed, we can easily come back to Komal Dhaivat by closing quickly the second and third hole, because fourth and fifth hole are already closed. So first hole is half closed, second hole and third hole we can easily come back, while the rest of the holes are already covered by our fingers. So that way we can quickly come to Shuddh Dhaivat, Komal Dhaivat from Shuddh Ma, like this. Just notice that I am closing these two, pulling back these two fingers rather than pulling all the fingers quickly down to make the sound of Komal Dhaivat. So this way, when my bottom holes are already closed, the 2.5 holes are closed, so it becomes easy for me to bring down the upper three fingers quickly to close the upper holes of the flute, so that we can easily come to the Komal Dhaivat sound of this on the flute. So this will be like this. I am playing Madhapa, Madhapa. Had this not been the case, then I had to bring down all the fingers quickly to make that sound, and it would have taken a fraction of a second more than required to play that Komal Dha. So this was the trick that I have learned from my experience. Experts may differ because they may have different techniques to play this kind of transition, but I think this is an easy technique from coming back from Shuddh Madhyam to Komal Dhaivat. I think I hope this video helps you, and if you have any questions, you can always ask me. Thank you, and see you again in my next video. Bye bye.